I have it on good authority from somebody I trust in these matters that you can make cheesy nachos in a microwave. So, let's have a look. Okay. Now, Tesco did grated cheese with chilies. Okay, sprinkle some in there. Some salsa. This is a Park Tool spork. So it's like a bicycle spanner, but it's a spork. Okay. It seems you need to microwave this for 15 to 30 seconds. There is a brand new microwave right here, but I've not read the flight manual, so I don't want to be the person that uses it first and makes it go kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So I'm going to use the old one, which is obviously in the living room. Okay. And some jalapenos. Guacamole, sour cream, and I think we're good to go. Yep, that is mighty fine. I think it'll go just fine with the Santa Claus. Okay, Louise, you're right. This works.